everyone, how are you all? Hopefully all of you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Super School. It's Chandni, and today I'm back with another video from my not vocabulary but article series. Yes, from the article series, this is part 2, where I will share some more important information about definite article. Yes, so today I'm going to share an important information related to definite article. So often the speakers have this question that how to pronounce the definite article. The definite article THE. So how to pronounce it? Now we pronounce THE definite article in two ways, depending on whether the sound which comes after THE is a vowel sound or a consonant sound. So it depends on the sound, not the alphabet. Now let's see few examples. B before vowel sounds. B apple. B apple. Now the noun apple has started with a word, an alphabet which is vowel, but also it begins with a vowel sound as well. So that's why the apple. But for example, if it's opera, so opera is it's beginning with a vowel alphabet but is not a vowel sound. So that's why it will be the opera, not the opera. The opera. Yes. So emphasis on the sound that the word is beginning with, not the alphabet. Now let's see the next one, the pronunciation of THE before a consonant sound. So it's the team, the union. But suppose our. Now our, it begins with a vowel sound a. Vowel sound a. But the word begins with a consonant alphabet. Vowel sound but consonant alphabet. So what will be the pronunciation of THE? It will be the hour. Yes, so it's the sound. It's a vowel sound, that's why the hour. The man of the hour. The man of the hour. So I hope it's clear and you will not have any more confusion about how to pronounce a definite article and where to use it before what kind of noun words. We have done all those discussion in part 1, and if you haven't watched part 1, then you should go and watch part 1 of the article series, and also like and subscribe my channel for more useful and helpful information or knowledge that I have to share with you from English grammar or from any other aspect of English language learning. And if you want to learn everything in details and in a more methodical way, where I have or I can provide a lot of materials to you, a session to practice it intensely with reading, writing, speaking and listening, then please join my course. And for that you need to log into my Facebook page for Super School and follow it, and also contact me through the page if you want to join my course. Thank you so much.